Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to my first tutorial. Here we are going to host a website on Amazon S3 bucket with no custom domain. First, I'm going to create an S3 bucket, and I'm naming it Example Pink Cloud. Now I'm going to turn on the versioning, and I'm also going to set the permissions. Now, I'm going to change the bucket policy. For this, I'm going to use a policy generator. Okay, copy and paste. We're going to now add a / and an asterisk. This will apply the policy to all the contents of the bucket. This is very important. Now I'm going to add my very simple HTML code to my bucket. And now I'm going to set the properties for the bucket for web hosting. And here you go, my website. All this is free and can be accessed globally through the URL endpoint. Ding dong, coop, skid, skirt, through.